Hey there! Today's the 8th day before Christmas and we are going to be recreating another Disneyland treat. We're going to be doing the ice cream sandwiches that they're offering. It's going to be 2 Whoopie Pies with ice cream in the middle. You can always do it with buttercream as well if you want to change it up. And you can always add some peppermint extract if you want to make it minty for the holidays. Now let's get started on this recipe. We're going to start by getting an empty bowl. Get your butter, an egg, vanilla extract, milk, baking powder, and your flour, your powdered sugar, and some sprinkles. Start by softening up your butter. And as always, get a spatula to scrape your bowl. Add in your powdered sugar to this and combine it all well. You can do a little bit at a time so that it incorporates faster. Once it's all incorporated well, add in 1 egg to this and mix it all up. Keep mixing until it's all fluffy and smooth. And then grab your milk and add in your vanilla extract to this. And grab your flour, add your baking powder, whisk it together. We're going to add half of the flour to this and then combine it all well. Once combined, add in your milk to this. Mix it all well. And then add your flour. It will take a couple minutes to incorporate everything, just keep mixing it. This is going to be a thick batter since it has to hold its shape when baking, so don't be alarmed if it's too thick. Again, get that spatula and scrape your bowl, incorporating all your ingredients well. And then I'm going to get an extra bowl and split this batter into 2. One is going to be green and the other one is going to be red. And then I'm going to get a piping bag with a circle tip. And I'm going to add in my red and green, alternating between each color. Now you can do this and do half and half, or you can separate your batters into 2 different bags and add that into 1. Or you can alternate the colors on the sheet pan, and I'll show you how these bake. So bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. These top ones that I'm adding buttercream to, those were the ones that I layered the batter onto each other. So I just sandwiched them together with that buttercream, got my sprinkles and added these little decorations. And those bottom 2 that you see, those were the ones that I put both the green and red batter into the same sleeve. And this one I'm going to be adding the ice cream to. And then sandwich it together. And add your sprinkles to this one as well. And that's how we make these ice cream sandwiches, inspired by the ones at Disneyland. I hope you enjoyed this ice cream sandwich recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see pictures of all the things I've been creating for the 12 days of baked goods, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below as well. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.